As automation technology for wire harness crimping and housing insertion matures, many harness manufacturers and machinery producers are increasingly focusing on processing speeds. However, speed is not the sole metric of production efficiency. True efficiency lies in increasing speed while maintaining high quality and low defect rates. Consequently, even though machines capable of simultaneous multi-wire housing insertion have entered the market, single-wire harness insertion machines remain the dominant equipment type. This is because it processes and inspects each wire individually, allowing for the immediate rejection of defects and ensuring greater inspection accuracy. This approach avoids the material waste and missed inspections often associated with multi-wire processing. It ensures that can lead to significant material loss and the risk of defective parts entering the finished product stream. Therefore, the single-wire harness insertion machine remains one of the most reliable equipment models in the wire harness processing industry.